The truth is that there were no weapons of mass destruction. So the war was based on a lie. And that meant that we lost all moral authority when it came to the aftermath. Because everything that went wrong, and a lot went wrong, was morally our fault, because we'd gone to war on a false premise. And the regime change that we delivered did not produce peace and flowering of democracy in Mesopotamia. It produced hundreds of thousands of fatalities in an appalling sectarian conflict between Shia and Sunni and so forth. And it was a disaster. And Iraq remains pretty unstable to this day.
So all we have is a metal plate, and we sprinkle on some sand. What you see here is completely formless. In other words, there's no pattern at all. Then we take a violin bow, and we're going to play the plate with the violin bow. You see a beautiful star appears on the plate. Now, that pattern that forms is basically the sound made visible, and it's kind of magic. And now watch what happens when we make this plate vibrate from an electronic piano. Isn't that neat?
Yeah.